everybody, Michael Lauder here from CarpetTools.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to trim in carpet tiles and then utilize the cut for other fill pieces. So check this out. We got these running up the wall here. Now there's no base as of right now. We will most likely sell the client on carpet base, but that hasn't even been discussed yet, so that'll be a deal after the fact. But we're going to trim that down. Got these little fill pieces here. Run my knife down these, and the reason I can do it like this, like I said, there's not a nice baseboard up or anything like that, so I can just score right through these and it's not going to affect anything because you're just cutting into rough drywall. And this is the other beauty of doing carpet tiles. When there's desks and things left in the room and wires, it's real easy to maneuver around them, whereas with the sheet goods or rolls of carpet, a little more difficult to get around those. So I'm just hacking these in. Boom, boom, boom. Let's come down here to the end. So we have this little tiny fill in the front here. We're going to take our cutoff pieces, drop each one of them in. That's always awesome when that works out like that. That one falls basically perfect. Trim this one a little bit. So catch the last one. Lop that one off. I could actually just turn that and use that for the final fill. And boom. So that is how you trim in carpet tiles without a finished wall edge. So for more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. Drop by CarpetTools.com. I got some cool strategies over there you can leverage to scale your service-based business, and I'll catch you on the next video.